Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing. Actually, I won't be doing the unboxing. My wife will be doing the unboxing and I'll be giving the commentary, and she'll be doing the unboxing of the new goodies or the new accessories, the Gear Store accessories, the Nvidia Gear Store accessories. So I had already made one of the video earlier in the similar perspective. So there is something called as Gear Store, Nvidia Gear Store. I work at Nvidia, guys. So there is something called as Nvidia Gear Store, and we get what do you call, periodic points in that, and with those points I can purchase the merchandise, accessories, Nvidia branding accessories. So this time I had bought a few set of accessories, some bags, some pouches, pens, etc. So my wife is super excited and she'll be doing the unboxing and she'll be showing you each and every device, each and every thing which I purchased in that order basically. So without further delay, let's get started. Alright, so here is the package which you can see, and my wife is super excited to open that, and she has a cutter, she's using that. I generally use the same cutter for my unboxing experience, and it's a small package, guys, not much. I think 5 or 6 items are there this time, and let's see what all things we get and how the things are. So this is how it opens. Good packaging from Nvidia, and here it opens. So let's first remove the smaller ones, and this is it's a workout mobile pouch holder, guys. As you can see, there is a headphone, whatever you call it as, the headphone hole, so you can put your headphones into the pouch, and there is one small section and one larger section. Larger section is mostly for your mobile to keep it in, and it's very good, padded, soft, cushiony, very good. And a smaller section you can keep your keys or some smaller things. And you need, I think this needs to be wear yeah, this way. So that's how you wear it, and then you can use it for your workout while jogging, running, etc. It's very handy for workout specifically. Next, let's take out the bigger things and let's check out the smaller things first. This is a pouch. It is a multi-chain pouch. It has multiple zippers, I guess. Yes. So there are 4 zippers. Let me focus. Yep. So there are 4 zippers in this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I had ordered similar thing earlier as well, and this was very much useful product, and my dad used to use it actually for his stuff, and he really liked it, so he told me to order one more, so I ordered. Next we can check out some, I think there were some pens. Yeah, there are some pens. So there are 2 pens which I ordered. These are ballpoint pens, Nvidia branded. Looks good. Next we have the 2 big things. This is the handbag. So it has a chain in the front. It's a good handbag actually. You can carry a lot of things in that, and if you see, the handles are like this. You can carry it like this, and there is a button, and there are also pockets on the other side. If you can see, there is a Nvidia branding over here, and there are pouches on this side as well, small sections, and then there is a button which you open, and that's the actual bigger section. So there are also some smaller chains inside, if you see. Yeah, there are some smaller sections inside as well, which is good. So you can carry a lot of stuff, small things, big things, maybe. It's very useful actually for daily errands, daily shopping, or maybe carrying your wallet, etc. Smaller things. Now let's check out the bigger thing, which I think this is the last thing. So this is the anti-theft bag, guys, from Nvidia. It looks super clean. All anti-theft bags look similar, but this has that elegance, the Nvidia branding over there, and then the chain should be in the behind. There are no chains in the front as it's anti-theft. The chains are at the sides and behind, and there are also cushiony pads. If you see, this is very good bag. There are cushiony pads to your back for backrest, so even if you hold a lot of weight, you don't get so much pressure on the back. It's like that. And it opens from the sides. There are some, what is this? There is a chain, and yep, this is how it opens. So let's open it and see what all is there in this. Wow, this is super nice. The quality is really good. So okay, there are velcros towards the sides, so that if you remove that, you can open it like 360. Oh sorry, 180. And there are wires as well, as you can see. So there are two wires, one is USB, one is 3.5 jack, I believe. Yeah, and there are two compartments as well. If you can see that they are thick compartments, you can keep your phone or power bank, some device like this. This is great. So I think the outlets of these should be connected towards that side, and there is another section pouch. There was a keychain, as my wife showed. There is another chain. This is the laptop section, where you have a smaller pouch for maybe tablets or something, and there is a bigger pouch for laptop, tablet, charger. You can keep anything, but the laptop section comes till this point only. So I think 15 to 16 inch laptop should be fine enough, and it's good. You won't be able to carry bigger laptops like 19 inch or 18 inch, but I think decent laptop should fit. These are the velcros, and there should be some more sections. She is putting up the velcros. There should be some more sections towards the back sides, I believe, and the wires which you saw, right, those end up connecting outside as well. So there should be two outlets. So you say you have a USB and you connect it from there. You have a power bank, you keep it inside and you connect your USB to that, and from outside itself you can connect your phone to that power bank. There are see, if you can see, these are the pouch pockets towards the sides, and these pockets are also very handy. And there is the full chain which she is keeping. And I think that's it for this video, guys. These are all the items which I had ordered, and as usual she is super excited and she is going anyway, thank you guys for watching. That's all for this video. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in next video, but before that, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much guys for watching and supporting me. Please do support like this. Please share this channel with as many people as you can, so that I can grow more and deliver more and more videos to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys. Catch you guys in next video.